Hi, my name is Dawn Potter and I'm with the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, and we are here at the newly put in Cedar Creek State Park Marina. I'm here to go over a couple tips to make your boating a little bit more successful and to give you a couple tips on how to use some of the things here at the marina. Right here we're actually at the gas dock and the pump out station, and if you notice here there are some fueling rules to make your life a little easier. Some key points here: maintaining nozzle contact with the fill pipe, always making sure that you close access fittings and openings that could allow fuel vapors, and remember to never overfill your tank. What's also nice about marinas is that back behind me you're going to notice the actual Marina Facility, where there are staff available anytime the gas docks are open to help you out any way that they can. Over here you're going to see what we know as a pump out system. These are important because if you have a pump out system on your boat, there are specific instructions on how to do that. We are in an inland water where you are not legally allowed to discharge your sanitation system into the water. So therefore, the park system has created a pump out station for you with basic instructions right here on the pump out station. And again, please, you're not alone. Back behind me, there's always attendants available to help you out with this. Next, we're going to head over to a fire emergency station, and I'm going to show you some tips on how to keep yourself safe. Okay, now we're here at the fire equipment staging area. This is very new to a lot of our marinas in the state of Ohio. This is a very nice area, and you're going to notice that there's a couple around this marina. And here what we have is your fire extinguisher station, equipped with a clasp, easy access. On the back, you will find your Type 4 flotation device. This Type 4 flotation device is not a wearable device, but yet one that you actually throw and use to rescue. We have the water pump for water accessibility. And then the sign. What marina attendants want us to make sure that we drive home is that this access area in front of everything here cannot be blocked. You know, we have to make sure that emergency personnel can access any of this equipment to better save your life. All right, last but not least, we are here at some of our actual boat slips. And if you notice, both of these boats are next to one another. Understand it's extremely important for you to tie up your boat securely so that it keeps not only anyone traveling around the slip safe, but it doesn't cause accidents between you and the boat that you're next to. If you notice here on this cleat, we have a nice figure 8 knot, and then it's roped around. We encourage you to learn some basic knots. At this actual park, some of our naturalists have really nice knot programs, and if you're interested in any additional programs, you can always access our website at OhioDNR.gov. A list of our divisions are on that website and courses that you can take. As a reminder, we always want to encourage you not to swim in the marina area. There are designated swim areas around this lake. Information on those swim areas are also located on our parks website and the brochures that are available at the marina, at our visitor center at the Army Corps of Engineers. Understand that boats are coming in and they're docking. They could possibly be using the gas dock. They also could be using the pump out station. These boaters that are coming in and utilizing these facilities are not expecting swimmers, so it can be a very dangerous place for you or your family to actually be in the water. Remember, there are designated swimming areas, and we'd like you to use those. And again, wear your life jacket, wear your life jacket, wear your life jacket.